Welcome inside Tesla's Gigafactory. Today, we're going behind the scenes inside the world of first stainless steel EV production.
Check this crease, I think the angle is slightly off.
No, it matches the spec. See, the caliper confirms it.
Alignment looks good on screen. Confirmed. Pressure applied correctly.
Copy that, Control. We are approaching docking bay 7.
Speed is nominal, all clear ahead.
Check the fluctuation on the Z-axis here.
It's stabilizing now, well within tolerance limits.
All diagnostics are green on the chassis. Ready to move it?
Confirmed. Proceed to Hall B.
Look at this spike in variance on line 3.
I see it. Adjusting the feed rate now.
Check these waveforms, they're stabilizing now. Clear. Looks good. Dimensions match the schematic.
Verify the alignment on these joints before we move it.
Make sure the alignment holds for the next section.
We're clear on this side.
Schematics match the current build. Proceed to Hall 3.
This fluxion correlation correlates directly with the voltage spike at 1400.
Auxiliary data.
Auxiliary.
The gas flow.
Okay, everyone, we are approaching the bay doors. I have the tablet. Trajectory is clear.
Watch the rear left corner. Did the 30 amp housings arrive yet?
Checking the manifest now. Should be on aisle 4.
Right there, hold it steady.
Looks good. Engaging latch.
We have alignment. Initiating the lift sequence.
Confirmed. All systems green.
Pressure in loop 4 is spiking. Got it.
Rerouting the flow now. It should stabilize the output.
All indicators are green on the diagnostic. The battery is fully calibrated.
Looks solid. The voltage matches the spec sheet.
Okay, team, let's keep the pace steady. We're clear on section 3.
Confirmed. All levels nominal. Moving to checkpoint 4.
Seated. Okay, it's seated properly. Engaging the torque wrench now.
The clearance here looks correct.
Agreed. Data matches.
The deceleration rate is stable across all 4 wheels.
Good. Let's compare the thermal data from the previous cycle.
Torque looks good. Yeah, stability values are holding steady. Adjustments complete. Check the sensors.
Perfect. All metrics are now within tolerance. Adjusting the front left caster now.
Parameters are holding steady in the green.
Straight line tracking is confirmed on the display.
I'm not hearing any abnormal brake noise either.
Alignment looks good on the left side.
Confirmed. Lowering now.
Go ahead and run it down.
Clear. Looks smooth.
Bringing it back up now. Good alignment.
Is the dashboard alignment complete?
Yes, passing quality check now.
Go ahead and run the steering diagnostics.
Testing now. All inputs are responding correctly. Reviewing the fitment data now. Looks good.
Everything looks solid on this seal.
Verified. I've entered the final approval on the tablet.
The alignment on the front quarter panel looks precise.
Yes, gap tolerances are well within spec across the board.
The initial scans look good.
Agreed. Let's run the physical checks on the tailgate gap.
Check align.
The rear quarter panel is showing less than a millimeter deviation.
That aligns perfectly with the simulation data.
On the internal test track, the vehicle maintains impressive body stability through the curve, highlighting the effectiveness of the suspension geometry even at low speeds.